In this short tutorial, I will show you how to use Live Transcribe on your Samsung phone. This is a fantastic feature that can make everyday conversations more accessible for people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Live Transcribe works by capturing spoken words and instantly converting them into written text on your phone screen. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung phone and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Once you've found it, tap on it. And then tap Hearing Enhancements. And now, at the top of the page, you'll see the Live Transcribe option. Just tap on it. You can toggle on this switch to enable the Live Transcribe shortcut. So to use Live Transcribe on your Samsung phone, simply tap where it says, Open Live Transcribe. And then allow permission. One thing to keep in mind is that you need an internet connection to use the Live Transcribe feature. You can now use Live Transcribe on your Samsung phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.